It's front yard day. It is 61 degrees outside, so it's a nice, great weather to be outside doing some yard work. So in Milani and Wayne fashion, we didn't have it planned out, so we bought 32 bags of mulch and like 10 bags of seed because we were gonna do the back and front yard. Then we realized we're probably gonna grade the backyard and also dig a ditch for our plumbing. So it doesn't make sense to put grass back here yet. So we're gonna have to return like 25 bags of mulch. Anyways, but yeah, that's what we're doing. We're gonna unpack what we need for the front yard at least.
What you think, Wheels? Alrighty, what's up y'all? We are doing what I'm really excited for, and we're getting ready to get a nice green lawn in 2 to 3 weeks.
So the first thing we have to do, pick up dog poop. Weed eat. Pick up the mulch.
Alright, so as you guys just saw, I had Milani carry that bag with me. It's heavy, because I didn't want it to rip. What's my dumb over here and do? Step over a bag that we've already bagged up. My boot gets caught, and I ripped it. Wide open. So that was unfortunate.
Move the bricks. I have good news. That's sarcasm. Our wheelbarrow, the wheel is deflated and we don't have a thing to pump it up. So we're gonna have to move all of these bricks over here just by using this little bucket. Are we gonna hate it? Probably. But here we go. So we got tired of doing all of the bucket runs, so we're using our recycle. We'll see how this goes. Good job. Aerate the dirt, put some soil down, put the seed, put soil on top of the seed.
By soil, she means mulch, because that's what we bought.
Take a quick little break. We're moving the wood posts, and I started getting bumps on my arm. So we had to run to Safeway and get some Benadryl just to make sure that I'm not having an allergic reaction.
My little Cincy beautiful worker.
So what I'll do is take that long sleeve shirt on and we should be good. We have 6 more left. We're halfway through.
Killing it.
It's not an easy task. All the wood pieces we removed. There was a total of 12. Now we're gonna rake up this side of the yard since this one's done and see what else we got.
You ever aerated and it sound like Santa's coming to town? Because I'm about to. We're gonna take some of this mulch, lay that down. Then we got our hand spreader for the seed. Then we'll throw a little bit of mulch on top of that, rake, and then we'll rewater and begin the germination process.
All right, I didn't film any of it because it's just rinse and repeat. So added seed, added topsoil to it. I didn't get proof of it, but I was out here by myself. So Wayne's been slacking watching the Georgia State game, but now we're done. We're gonna water it and then we'll see it grow.